Hello YouTube. So a little while back when I did the vintage air versus factory AC boxes, one of the subscribers had actually commented, asked about the control panel and if it would fit in the factory location. So one of the cool things about vintage air is they make a lot of different control panels. So you can find something to fit that looks almost factory stock depending on what your application. Since mine is a full-blown resto mod, I simply went with their rotary control panel. You can see here on the guide, right, it's part 49200-RHA. So you can see in the guide, it shows multiple settings, right, for each of the knobs. So what you end up with is one that controls fan speed, right? One that controls output source. So you've got defrost, upper vent, lower vent, or heat in combination. And then you have one setting for hot. So how high do you want to dial the heat? Up or down. And then one for cold as well. So going through the control panel packing list, you can kind of see everything it comes with. You have, multiple knobs. You have stickers for the post to go through. So while it comes in this plastic piece that you can mount physically under your dash, what I'm most likely going to do is use that as a template, drill 4 holes through the aluminum dash I have in there now, or the lower control panel, and set these up fully separate. Right, and then wiring wise, for my setup with heating, cooling, and defrost, you can see each of the mode switches, right? There's a thermostat, right? The mode switch, the blower switch. So fairly straightforward. I'm hoping here this fall to get this installed when it starts getting to the point where we have fog to deal with, or fogging windows, I should say, to deal with. But for now, for everybody wanting to see, that's what it is. Once I get it in, I'll do a follow-up review on it. But you can see in the rear how it kind of plays out with what it shows in the guide, right? So 2 jumpers from this one are already pre-jumped, right? The capillary tube, since it is the Gen 2, goes into the condenser box itself to keep tabs on the temperature. But I'll give you a closer up view here. I think this will focus on it okay. Right, so and this is pre-wired, right? So, but overall, I have no complaints so far. So for my needs, I think it's going to work just right. And as far as fitting into the factory 4i Fox body control panel area, I think it'd be pretty close. I think it might. But they do make a slider panel that's horizontal that might be a better bet if you're wanting to go with something that looks fairly factory. So that's it for now. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit subscribe. Ring the bell down there to get notifications when I shoot the follow-up on this here later this fall. And, hit the like button if you liked it. And that's it for now. I'll be back soon. Thanks, everyone.